this right?
Arman, that is right. No, Manya, I think you didn't get it.
What?
Swarit, correct. Ritisha, correct. Vidyut, not really. Okay, let me go ahead and do this one.
Auntie, can I go get water?
Yeah, please go. So Polly the penguin invested $250, right? So I'm going to do it on the board. Okay. She invested $250. Okay. The first year, the investment suffered 15%. Then this money became 85 by 100, right? Can I simplify this right away here? So the money became 17 by 20 of 250. I don't want to much disturb this at all because the question is asking what is the percentage loss or gain in the investment. So I don't want to disturb this at all. But the next year, what happened? 20% gain. So this entire money became 80 by 100, which is 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 times 17 by 20 times 250. So the original money became this much. What is that much? I don't even get it. So can we multiply and see? Those are 28. 7 4 are 28. 2 4 is 4, 5, 6.
17 over 25 times 250.
What is it, ma'am?
17 over 25 times 250.
17 over 5, amma.
So the equation you're doing 4 over 5 times 17 over 20.
17 over 25. Because I thought it was 17 over 20, right?
No, I'm saying the
50,
answer.
it suffered.
The
I'm
answer.
not getting how we got 17 over 20 or like 85 or 100.
Oh, wait. Did I make a mistake? Hold on. Let me see. 5. 5. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. 17 over 20, right, Anya?
Yeah, but I don't get how you got the 85 100.
80 by 100 is, it is, oh, sorry. It's 120 by 100. Sorry, it's a gain, right?
Yeah.
Sorry. It's a gain means 120 by 100. So that becomes 6 by 5. So 6 by 5. So this one becomes 6 7s are 42, 4 6 10. 102 by 100 of the original investment. So what is this? How much percentage loss or gain of that 250? Vidyut, what do you think here?
Oh, I had to do one more step. I'd gotten it, but
Makes sense. But what happened to that 250? 250, how much gain or loss? 102% means what?
we have to get
100.
102% of it became 102% of 250, right?
Yeah.
So what happened? It's 2% gain. Did you all get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I put 1.02% because I thought it was like,
I
yeah.
got it. Meaning the original money value ended up in multiplying by 1.02. If it was multiplied by 1, it remained the same. But this was the increase it took off. What is this increase? This is 2% of the original money. Can I move on? I feel like I want to review one more. Let's see. It's an easy one, but a good one to revise. This is an AMC problem, looks like. Let's see this one. I really want to go to Unit 9. Okay, maybe I'll change the assignment, but definitely I want to review Unit 9 before moving on to Unit 10 again. Unit 10 is easy. Maybe I'll do unit 10 and come back to unit 9. That is also fine with me because unit 9 is so separate and it is very useful for later. So maybe the review of unit 9 I'll come back and do is another thought that I have. If you want, I can jump on to new stuff, unit 10. Okay, we'll do. Yeah, I would like to do unit. You want me to do on the board? Oh, wow. All of you are giving different answers on this one.
Is mine correct?
Each of you have different Arman, Anya, Ritisha, correct. Dia, that doesn't seem right. Swarit, that seems right. Swarit, are you getting along nicely now? Are you feeling better?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, that's correct, ma. Yeah, I think everybody got it right. Vidyut, should I wait for you?
Yeah, I'm almost done with the problem. Just
Yeah,
gonna-
no problem. Take your time. This is also a good exercise. Vidyut, is it 71 or 72?
Wait, just give me. I think it's 72. Or
Who wants to explain this?
or do it. Let me check.
Who wants to explain this?
Me.
Go ahead.
Can you draw it though, or like write it on the board?
Arman. Sure. Go ahead, Arman.
I'm not Armand.
Oh, sorry, Swarit. Go ahead. I didn't see because you sounded similar. Go ahead.
Okay, so 25% of 128 is 1/4, which would be 32. So 128 minus 32 would be 96. And then we find 25% of 96.
Miss Priya, you wrote that 128 times 1/4 equals 34.
Which 25% of 96 equals 24. And then 96 minus 24 is 72.
You're too fast for me.
So 96, 25% of 96 is 24. And then 96 minus 24 is 72. And then it says of those apples, he gave the most shiny one to his teacher. So that would be 72 minus 1, which equals 71.
You forgot the last step.
Yeah, I did. Yeah,
I
I
know.
realized it last second. I was just looking at my work and I was like, oh.
That's a, read carefully. Okay. So let's move on. And I want to do one more and go.
Wait,
Other
can
than
I get some water, please?
what is it? Yeah. Go,
Can I
go,
go-
go. If you want me to do, please let me know, guys. But look,
Can you check my answer?
you guys are really good. I just want to make sure we are good with God. Tia, there is some problem. Arman, did you answer the question? Something went wrong, Arman. Swarit, correct.
Well, let me try it again.
Swarit, Ritisha, correct. Tia and Arman, can I help you? Or you want to retry?
I'll read.
Oh, sure. I think Arman, you got it, but somehow when you're calculating the percentage, are you doing it right? Check.
Auntie,
Yeah, ma'am.
can I explain this?
Sure, why not? 1 minute. Wait. Let's
Yeah,
wait.
after they're done.
Yeah. Let's just wait for Arman and
Oh,
Vidyut
I saw
and
my mistake. Let me fix it.
yeah. While calculating the percentage, right, Arman? Your mistake was Tia. Good job, ma. No problem. Swarit, do you want to explain? Do you want me to write or you want to do?
Can you write?
Sure.
Okay, so what I did is so I first tried to make least common multiple of 3 and 2, which would equal 6.
Mm-hmm.
And then I put ratios for both of them. So for the pairs, it would be 16 ounces for 6 pairs. And then for the oranges, um I did 24 ounces for 6 oranges. And then I added the ounces together and I got 40. And then the pear blend juice is 16. So that would equal 16 over 40. And then I did times 2.5 on both sides, which gave me the fraction of 40 over 100. And then that would mean 40% of the blend was pear juice.
Does it make sense with
That's
you?
what I did, except I simplified it and made it 3 oranges and pears instead of 6 oranges and pears. So my fraction was 8/20.
Yeah, I
I like,
understood it.
yeah. Vidya, did you get it?
Yeah, I understood.
Can I move on?
Yeah.
Yeah, got it. Okay. So I just want to move on, guys. Ninth chapter, I know we did it, but I am going to review that, but not this week itself. Okay. I'll do it sometime soon. That's the feeling I get with that chapter. Okay. How about this one? How about this one? Again, I'm reviewing, I know, but I'm just making sure we all know what we are doing. And one more. That will be the last, okay?
This one was also in The Alchemist.
Yes, correct, ma. Correct, ma. Vidyut correct, Ritisha correct, Arman correct. Anya, I'm waiting. This one is a little tricky. Let's see. We are done with this. We are done. I'm going to move on to chapter 10, which involves angles. I like the chapter a lot. Geometry. Class goes off. That's why I didn't discuss. Are we doing alchemist properly? Good.
Is my answer correct?
Answer for the first one, it's incorrect, ma.
No, is it correct? I think I see a mistake.
Correct. Priya, Priya and Rajans correct. Tisha, I didn't get it.
Wait, Coach Priya, what'd you say?
It is correct.
Okay.
Arman, did you get the first one, Arman?
Yeah, I did.
Swarit, did you get the first one?
1 second. I just came.
I feel like that's incorrect. Arman, what is the 2 kg? For which one you got the answer?
For the second, it's 2,000 grams, but I just made it 2 kg.
Really? See, problems we had trouble with when we discussed in class. Problems like this we had trouble with earlier as well.
I get it.
You're confused.
Wait, what?
Arman, the 10,000 gram is incorrect. 200 gram is incorrect.
Oh. That's not what I put.
For the first one, I got.
Miss Priya has answer.
I'm here. Hold on.
Yeah, Auntie.
Okay, Anya,
Am I wrong?
hey, the second one everybody is getting wrongly, I feel. 200 grams of pulp. Okay, can I go ahead and do, guys? Vidyut, not really. Swarit, not really. Anya, not really. Okay. Do, guys. Can I go ahead and do? 80% water and raisins are 20% water. Okay. Grapes are 80% water and 500 grams. Remove water. How much water? 80% water is removed. Now, so in this scenario, 500 grams, 400 grams was water, 100 grams was pulp. Now, for raisins, they're 20% water. It's 20% water. So basically, if this was 80%, what is 100, meaning if this was 80%, right? Then what is 100% I need to calculate, right? So if this was 80%, so 100 gram, 100 is 80% of 100 is 100 80% of a number is 100. So 80% of a number is 100. So 80 by 100 will be equal to 80% of a number is 100. 100 by x. I'm not getting it.
Miss Priya, I think the answer is 120.
Correct. 120?
120, like, the number that 120, if you
Can
take
you check once
80,
more?
no, if you take 80% of 120, it's 100. It's 100.
To me. 80% is 100, right? 100 grams was a pulp, right? So that constitutes the 80%. Then what we need to count? We have to count the 100%, right? How do you do it?
Good.
If 80, okay. So how do you do it? Let's see.
Oh, you could do 100 times 5/4 to give you the question.
100% is 100. So 100% is what? Something feels wrong to me though. Let me check, guys. Hold on. 100 times 100 by 80. So basically it is 100 times 100 by 80. This will be 2 5s are 10, 4, 25. Something feels wrong. 1 minute. So 80% of it is something feels definitely wrong to me. So this constitute 80% of the weight of raisins. Uh, One second, guys. Let me see where we are missing. So this is 80% of the weight of raisins. 80% of the weight of raisins. Okay. Equal to 100. Then what is 100 times 100 divide by 80? Correct only. 5. 5 means 20. 100 grams, right?
No,
400.
it's 25. Because if you 4 times 25 equals 100, not 4 times 20.
Where am I? Where did I
Uh,
make the
right over here. This
You can
part
feel free to circle on the board.
over here. Because 100, like, if you have 104, and cancel it out, then it would equal 25 over 1.
Oh, I'm sorry. Such a bad mistake, right? Okay, so this is 25, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's 120. That makes it all. Yeah. It was a yeah. So 100 times the last step was incorrect. 100 times 100 by 80 was this gets cancelled. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. This is a 25, so that becomes 125. So 125 gram is the weight of the raisins. Does it make sense? Was it hard? Did you get it?
I think I did.
Arman, how about you?
I'm not fully,
Arman, please repeat.
I'm not fully sure.
Okay, you're not fully sure. What I'm saying is, let's start with the 500 gram. Okay, when you start with the 500 gram, grapes, right? 80% water. Okay, it has 80% water. So let's split it out. Water and pulp. Okay, now water is 80% means, what does it mean? 80 by 100 of 500, which is 400 gram water. So 100 gram is pulp. Till this you understood, Arman?
Yeah.
Now what they're asking is, they remove enough water to turn them into raisins. So you have only 100 gram left. Did you get it?
Yeah.
They have turned this into basically raisin, but in raisin, they have removed enough water. They have not removed all the water. They have removed enough water to make it into pulp, right? Which is what is going to become raisin. Now, in the raisin, it's 20% water, but you have pulp here. Pulp is there, so that constitute 80% of the raisins. You got it?
Yeah.
So if this is 80%, if 100 is 80%, how many gram will be 100%? That is the weight of raisins, right?
Yeah.
So when you're given 80% of a number, 100. What is that number? 100 times 100 by 80. So the original weight of raisins is 125 grams. Arman, did I reach your brain?
Yeah, now I get it. Now I get it.
Okay. Now I really want to move on to the chapter 10. Okay. I'm not going to do chapter 9. Chapter 9, I'll come back, guys. I know I did most of it with you. but I feel like we can do more of chapter 9. Okay, chapter 9 will follow us in geometry like anything. So I really want you guys to be very good with chapter 9. Okay, how about this? Can you all tell me what is the answer for this one? I've started chapter 10, guys. Okay, what is x value? What is the x value? Angle, a straight line makes 180-degree. Angles inside a triangle sum up to 180. Angle around a point is 360. And then what else? A right angle is 90-degree. All these things we know already. Oh, Ritisha, that's good.
Is my answer correct?
Yes, Arman.
Did I
Why
get
not?
it? Did I get it correct?
Want to try, Arman?
Yeah, I
Did
can
somewhere
try that.
some mistake with you? Can you retry?
Okay.
Arman, at the end of the class, can I talk to you on that?
Yeah, okay.
Sure. Do you think you have studied, meaning you know these already?
Yeah.
Really, Arman, you know about parallel lines, transversal probability and stuff, Arman?
Not fully, but my mom told me to just try out the algebra class.
I see. Okay. Definitely. See, I am not a person who will block. You know me, right? So, yeah, I can talk to you at the end of the class.
Okay.
I'm open whatever you guys want to do, but at the same time, I don't want you to miss the basics and move on as well. So I'll talk to you. Ritisha, that's right. Dia, first one is right. Swarit, first one is right. Hey, first one is 77 or 73, guys. Each of you are giving one answer. 77 or 73?
77.
How? How?
No, it's 73 because if you
Oh
add
yeah, it's
60
73.
per
My bad. It's 73. Yeah.
Then Vidyut got it right. Anya, you got it incorrect. Okay. 73. Good job, Arman. You also corrected it. Okay. Now let's move on,
Wait, no,
guys.
but I put 73.
Yeah. You put 73 second answer, right? Anya. Oh, that's the first answer. Sorry, ma. Arman corrected it. We'll move on. So now lines WX and YZ intersect at point P such that YPX equal to 61. What is YPZ? Guys, these are easy ones, guys. These are. Should be doable. Oh, what is that? 119. I asked you about YPZ.
Oh,
Arman, the angle PZ means what, Arman? That's right, Ritisha. See, be any two lines intersecting, the opposite angles are always equal. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. No, Anya. Vertically opposite angles are equal. If this is 61, this is also equal to 61, Anya. Okay. Now let me go ahead and ask you
Wait,
guys.
yeah, I know. I subtracted 360 by 122, and then I divided that by 2.
What did you do?
So I first so 360, right? And then I subtracted that by 122 because 61 plus 61 is 122. And then I divided that by 2, which got me 119.
Yeah, but then, yeah, I understand. Why did you subtract that from 360? Why would you subtract that 360? Only when you're asked, Anya, okay, only when you're asked this angle, you would do that, Anya. They're asking,
Oh, I thought we were finding out all the angles. Like, what? Yeah, I thought we were finding out P.
Okay, as long as you understood, I'm happy.
Sorry,
Okay.
that's my bad. I didn't read the
Not at
question
all a
right.
problem. Let's move on, okay? But you have to read the question, that's all. Now let's see this one. It's a tricky question. I just want to know how many of you know, how many of you don't know some properties, okay, which you might have learned a little earlier. Some of you might not have learned it. That's okay. I just want to know where we are, okay? Now, I want to know what is this angle. That's the only thing. These are straight lines. XY is a straight line. ZT is a straight line, okay? Now, the intersection point is O. I want to know what is the angle OTP.
Wait, I'm just wondering. Sorry, give me a second. I need to show you. Would this be a right angle or not?
Nothing is at right angle. None of the angles right angles there.
Okay.
I did not tell you, right? So this one is a little tricky one, guys, but I want to know what amount of geometry you guys know. I've never had a chance, right? I know for grade 6, you know, but grade 6, how depth
Are
you know, how
are
much of,
are Z, Y, and X, T parallel?
no. Uh, okay, I know. Okay, maybe you're all stuck in here. Huh? How about this? Does it help you?
Yeah.
Sorry about it. I think I missed it. Good job, Swarit. That's right.
Oh, okay.
Ritisha, good job, ma. Arman, can you explain how you got that, Arman?
Can you check my answer?
No, Anya, you've got the same incorrect answer. Can we check? Can we try? Okay. I will go ahead and explain, please. Diya, Vidyut, I really would like you to see. Arman and Anya, I wanted you to explain, you know. Arman and Anya. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I wanted you to explain. I want to know where is the mistake, right? Okay. So
Uh,
this mark, go ahead.
That means it's congruent.
Yeah, this means that this side is exactly equal to the other side, marked like that. It's an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, the sides are equal, right? That sides, the angles opposite to those sides are equal. That's a property of isosceles triangles which we learn in 5th or 6th grade. So these two are 70 degrees. Then sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. So this becomes 40. Vertically opposite angles are equal. That becomes 40. Given this as 80 and 40, we go ahead and find this as 60. Now this one,
Yeah.
180 minus 60 is 120.
Yeah, but that's what I put. You said I got the wrong answer.
110 was your answer. Check.
No, I put 120.
Oh,
Oh, I understand my mistake. I didn't see the
Anya,
equals.
I apologize. Correct. You had put 120. Arman had, no, Anya, you had put 119. Did you see that?
Oh yeah, I know, but that was like I was trying to put in 120, like 120.
I don't know, Ma, but 119 I saw and said, and after that you've corrected it to 120. I did not see that. Vidyut, did you understand now?
I didn't get like the last part. Like I got the isosceles triangle, but like finding out the 40 and the 10 degrees, I didn't understand too much, and then finding
No
like
problem. Please ask. Good job you're asking.
yeah,
So
I was just waiting for you to
yeah,
ask.
if this is 40, right? Any vertically opposite angles are equal. If this is 40, this is as well 40, right? Vidyut.
Yeah.
So that is 40, this is 40. Did you get that? And after that, this is a triangle, right? Using the triangle sum 180-degree, you can find this angle, right? Vidyut.
Mhm.
Vidyut, are you with me?
Yeah.
So 80 plus 40 plus x will be equal to 180. You can find out x as 60 degrees, right?
Mhm.
And then 180 minus 60, you get the angle, correct?
Oh, okay.
Now let's see. Okay, now you have understood these. Let's see this one. I'm going to ask you something. Let me see whether you're able to think about it. Easy ones I'm not going to give you guys. You can break your head with it at home, I feel. But let's see this one. How about this? Uh, I don't want an answer from you guys. I'm not expecting answers from you guys. Okay, I'm just going to paste a diagram. What is the value of x? What will you do? What is the value of x? Vidyut, do you know how to do that? Or Arman, do you know how to do that?
Yeah.
How?
So the whole thing is 8x
Good.
divided by 8 360 by 8,
8x will be equal to how many degrees?
360.
Correct, 360, because angle around a point is 360 degrees. Does it make
Yeah.
sense? Okay. And have you heard of what type of an angle is this? Do you know what type of an angle is this, Ritisha? The outer angle? What type of an angle is
It's
that?
an exterior angle.
No.
The inner angle, which is like this, is acute, and this is obtuse. The outer angle is obtuse.
No, obtuse angles are less than 180.
Or is that a reflex angle?
Obtuse angles are always less than 180.
Is that a reflex
That
angle?
is a reflex angle. Good job. That is called a reflex angle, which you guys less than
Miss Priya, you're glitching.
90 degrees acute. I'm writing it for you guys.
Oh, so it's if it's greater than 180 but less than 360, it's a reflex angle.
Correct. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. You know what are supplementary complementary angles, guys?
Yes.
Do you know what
No.
are
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
angles that it's okay, I'll say it again. Angles that add up to 90 degrees are complementary angles. Two angle that add up to 180 degrees is called supplementary angles. Okay. Now let's say what is the complement of 80, Anya? What is the complement of 80?
10.
10. What is the supplement of 100?
80.
Vidyut?
Wait, did he ask the? You were glitching a lot. I couldn't hear the problem.
Sorry. I asked. Sorry.
70?
What, what is the supplement of 110?
70.
Yeah, you guys got it. Okay. Swarit, you're aware of that, right? Swarit?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Now, okay. We go ahead and board.
We can't hear you at all.
Yeah.
Can we go ahead and do the problem on the board?
Sure.
You guys rock. Good job, Ritisha. Can you do the second one, ma'am? Arman, that doesn't seem right to me. Swarit, that doesn't seem right to me. Guys, ray BX divides the right angle
Oh,
A.
yeah.
Please draw, guys. ABC, ray BX divides that in the ratio 1x, 5x. 6x is 90 degree. X will be equal to 90 by 60, which is 30 by 2, which is 15. So the smaller angle is 1x, which is 15 degrees. Vidyut, did you get it? Vidyut, did you get it?
Not too much actually.
What did you know?
Like, I didn't understand how you got 15 after everything. Like, I didn't understand the variables parts, like the x equals 90 or 60, that part. I didn't know that. I didn't understand that.
Because it's a
You're glitching a lot.
angle 1:5 ratio means one the other is 5 part. It can be 1:5. I can for ratios. So now the sum of these two, 1x plus
Oh.
5x equals 90. Now 6x is 90. X will be equal to 15. That's the smaller angle. Got it?
Oh, okay.
Now for the second question, the measure of an angle is 15 degree more than twice its supplement. Can you do the second one?
You check my answer for the second one.
Yes, Maritisha. I don't have the answer. Hold on. I'm checking the last one. Hold on. So 10.1 exercise will be your homework. Ritisha, you can log off. 10.1 exercise problems will be your homework.
Okay, bye. Take care.
Yeah. Bye, ma. So now let's go ahead and try this one. The measure of an angle. Measure of an angle x. That is 50. What is its supplement? Supplement of the angle is what?
15 degrees more than twice its
180,
supplement.
180 minus x, right? Now, what have they given? The measure of the angle is 15 degree more than twice its supplement. Do you see how I formed the equation?
Yeah.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
15 plus 360 minus 2x equal to x. 3x equal to 375. X will be equal to 125. Any questions? Clear?
Yeah.
First, you write out what is the angle. What is the complement or supplement of the angle in terms of x. After that, form the equation. Got it?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. I'll stop here, guys. Any questions?
No.
Priya, did you get it, ma?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. See you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Arman, you want to do algebra 1?
Yeah.
How will you learn all of this, Arman? Geometry, probability and all?
Well, I can try doing it on Khan Academy because even for like the CB thing, I caught up using Khan Academy as well. So
So, okay.
I can't hear you.
Arman,
Yeah.
can you ask your mom to call me on Monday during daytime?
Okay.
I will arrange.
Yeah. Okay.
Sure, Arman.
Yeah.
Have a nice week ahead.
Yeah. Take care.
Bye, ma.